Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fast forward or rewind on YouTube, whether it's on mobile or on your PC. So let's begin. First, this is actually a very common feature that some people might miss. So this video is for you. So just click or tap on any video on your phone or computer. Then over here, you can click play, and then you just really need to double click or like for example, if you're on a mobile, double click on the right side if you would like to fast forward, or double click on or tap twice on the left side if you would like to get a rewind option. For the PC, you can simply use the arrow keys, right for fast forward, left for rewind. And that's pretty much it. You can also adjust in here the playback speed. This is lower, I mean slower, and this is faster. That will suit to your preferences and style. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.